Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Switching between LCD and EVF, Electronic Viewfinder on Nikon cameras is the simplest process to enhance the usability and efficiency. This feature is useful for quick transitions, especially in dynamic shooting environments. The Nikon Z series camera offers an automatic eye sensor. By default, the camera switches between LCD and EVF as soon as the eye sensor detects your eye. When you put your eye to the viewfinder, it automatically turns off the LCD, and as soon as you take your eyes off the EVF, the LCD comes back. However, you can also manually control these features to suit your preferences. To customize your EVF and LCD screen, simply go to the menu, go to the pencil, and choose D, Shooting Display. A20 is the custom viewfinder shooting display. You can choose what you want to have in your viewfinder just by checking these boxes. If you don't want the histogram, just uncheck it. You can customize the other displays, number 2, 3, 4, the same way. And if you go to D19, this is custom monitor shooting display. And it's exactly the same thing. If you go to display 1, then you can uncheck or check these boxes, whatever you want. You can customize it. And the same thing for display 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you see, this is very simple to customize the EVF and LCD of your camera to suit your preferences. So without any further ado, let me show you how to change the display for your LCD screen. And also I'm going to show you how to choose the right option for your electronic viewfinder or EVF. Let's locate the display button on the back of the camera. And what you see on the LCD screen is the standard display. It's the default shooting screen. By pushing this, you go to minimal display, a cleaner look with only essential settings. Of course, when you get your camera, the defaults are different of what you see right now because I have changed these settings. But now by just pushing this, you go to another screen and it is called virtual horizon. So you can have the virtual horizons over here to level your camera. And the last one is the screen that you can see all the information and all the settings of your camera. Now let's figure out how to switch between EVF and LCD screen. And this is on automatic right now. So if you cover the viewfinder, let's say with your eye, the LCD screen goes off and you can see only through EVF. If you push this button on the side of the EVF. Now, this is only EVF right now. You can only see through EVF, and the LCD is off. And this is monitor only. It means that the LCD monitor is on, and even if you put your eye to the EVF, to the viewfinder, the LCD is going to stay on. In some newer models like Nikon Z8, Z9, and Z6 III, you get two more options. By pushing this button, you can go to prioritize viewfinder 1. In this mode, the EVF activates only when you bring your eye close to it, utilizing the eye sensor to detect your presence. Once you move your eye away, the EVF deactivates and the monitor remains off. This setting is particularly useful for conserving battery life, as the EVF operates solely when in use. When you push the button once again, you go to prioritize viewfinder 2. This mode offers a more responsive EVF experience. The EVF not only activates when you bring your eye to it, but also turns on for a few seconds after specific actions, such as powering on the camera, half pressing the shutter release button, or pressing the AF on button. These additional activation triggers allow for quicker composition and shooting, as the EVF is ready for use even before you position your eye. And that's it. Now you can customize your Nikon Z camera's display for the best shooting experience. Thank you so much, folks, for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you gave me motivation to make more of these videos. I'm posting a new video on Monday and Tuesday every week, and by subscribing to the channel, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. As usual, take good care of yourself, keep shooting, and I see you soon. Cheers.